Right now, someone's job is being taken away by a tool that didn't exist 3 years ago. It's fast, it's silent, and most people won't even see it coming. If you're working one of these 5 jobs, this might be the most important video you watch this year. And if you're not, stay with me anyway, because the way this unfolds could affect every part of your life. AI didn't start by replacing people. It started by assisting them, helping with tasks, automating the boring stuff. But that's changed. Today, entire roles are being automated, and not in theory. In companies, in platforms, in real workflows. A study from Goldman Sachs estimates that AI could replace 300 million jobs globally. The World Economic Forum says over 40% of skills will be outdated within 2 years. And yet, most people think their job is safe. So let's talk about the 5 careers that are disappearing faster than most realize, and the tools that are replacing them right now. Let's start with one of the biggest, customer support. For decades, this field employed millions in call centers, help desks, live chat. Now, tools like Intercom AI, Zendesk AI, and GPT-based chatbots handle thousands of customer interactions, faster, cheaper, without fatigue. Companies are no longer hiring teams. They're subscribing to tools and getting results. If your job is answering questions, AI might already be answering them better. Data entry, repetitive tasks, spreadsheets, form transfers. This was once the starting point for many careers. Today, it's almost gone. Platforms like UiPath, Zapier, and Power Automate connect tools, read documents, and move data with zero human input. These systems run 24/7. They don't make mistakes, and they're being adopted fast. If you're doing something the same way every day, chances are a bot can already do it. Let's talk design, logo creation, social media posts, basic branding. Once creative tasks, now becoming automated. Tools like Canva AI, Kittl, and Looka let anyone generate polished visuals in seconds. No designer needed. It's not about talent, it's about time and cost. If your design process is predictable, you're no longer competing with designers. You're competing with prompt writers. You're next. AI now generates blogs, product descriptions, ads, even YouTube scripts with tools like Jasper, Copy AI, and of course ChatGPT. It's not perfect, but it's fast, it's cheap, and for many businesses, it's good enough. If you're charging for words, you need to offer more than content. You need to offer clarity, originality, strategy, or the machine will win. Video editors are already seeing it. Tools like Opus Clip, Runway, and Kittl can take a long video, find the best moments, cut it, and format it for TikTok. In minutes. The value isn't in cutting anymore. It's in knowing what to cut and why. If your job is editing, your job now includes storytelling, instinct, human touch, because machines are learning fast, but they don't feel yet. If you're on this list, don't panic. This isn't a warning, it's a wake-up call. These jobs aren't disappearing because of AI. They're disappearing because of how AI is being used. You don't need to compete with a machine. You need to partner with it. And the truth is, the people who are adapting, they're not just surviving, they're thriving. Here in this very channel, we've already covered tools that can save you hours, tools that businesses are paying for, tools that can give you an edge right now. If you haven't seen those videos yet, you're missing the most powerful side of the shift. So now the question is, are you safe? Like this video if it made you think, subscribe if you want to stay ahead, and drop a comment, is your job on this list? Because AI isn't coming. It's already here. And if you ignore it, it won't ignore you.